Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ooh, I've waited so long for this. Today, the first look that I'm going to be sharing is a purple smoky eye and a flawless glowing finish skin makeup. This will especially be helpful for girls with brown skin and how to blend the eye and make it look this flawless. So let's begin. The first thing we do is take a Morphe palette. This is such a gem palette in 39S by Morphe, and it has such amazing colors. What we're going to do is take the lightest mauve color and first make an outline around the eye. Now this is subjective to your eye shape. This actually helps you build the smoky eye makeup if you have the outline in place. If you see this, I already can see where my smoky eye should end. It is very important that we know this, otherwise the smoky eye tends to look like a black big punch on an eye. I hope you understand what I mean. So this is how I'm going to apply, and then take another shade in purple and place it on my eyelid. This is right over the eyeballs and it goes up till the crease line where the mauve color has been placed. We take the third shade of purple and place it in the outer corner to create the dimension that we need in a smoky eye. It needs to lift your face up. You see that? We need to place it in a way that it actually shows your face lifting up. Creating depth is very important. So here we take the black eyeshadow from the Sigma palette and we try making the outer corners a little more darker. So although we are looking for a smoky eye, we will still have the lift effect and not the rounded effect that smoky eyes tend to create. Now we take a clean blending brush. These fluffy brushes are very useful. Although you can blend with your fingers, I know a lot of people who do that. This just gives you a very flawless, seamless finish like a professional makeup artist. We usually have more than 5 or 6 of these fluffy brushes. If you see, again, I have a fluffy brush and I'm going to take one of the lightest shade and just blend out whatever hard lines. Hard lines is the lines that you can see otherwise. Now I'm using a brow pencil by Benefit Cosmetics. This is an amazing shimmer pencil. It takes away the unwanted colors and gives you the highlight required under the brow bone. Brow bone is exactly under where your eyebrows are placed. You blend it out and then you take the lightest color from the Sigma palette and set that pencil with that powder. I love using this liquid liner by the Balm Cosmetics for the required amount of depth around my lash line. The next thing we do is take the Urban Decay pencil in black and place it in the waterline. Waterline is where you place your kajal, where you place your kohl, and that is what gives you the intensity of the smoky eye. We slightly smudge it with one of the small blending brushes that you have in your kit, and then we take this purple and we smudge it out more. It's the same purple that you placed on your eyelid, so it has a continuation of color. Now we start with the secret of a very nice glossy finish skin. This is a Milk Makeup holographic highlighter. I place it on my bare skin after I have put my moisturizer on my highlight points. This will shimmer through the foundation, so we don't have to mix anything in the foundation to have that glow. Now I'm using a concealer in Biscuit from NARS Cosmetics. I love this concealer because it has a little peach in it and it helps me cover up my dark spots. In case if you have deeper circles, I would recommend you using an orange corrector before the concealer. And if you see how I'm using my brushes, I'm taking everything upwards. Anything that I blend always goes upwards, so it gives me that elongated effect to the face. Now I'm taking my favorite Hourglass Ambient palette and I'm setting my concealer. I always set my concealer and then, of course, now that I'll be using the foundation, after that also I will be setting it. I'm using two foundations. One is a Dior Backstage foundation in 3N and one is a Charlotte Tilbury foundation in number 1. These two give me the exact color that matches my neck and my chest. I always apply with a brush and I blend it with this amazing blender by Tati Beauty and I set my foundation. Now we take a concealer in the color Light from Bare Minerals. This is a serum based concealer and is very easily movable and does not give you a cakey finish. These are placed on the highlight spots to give you a glowy finish. This is a very beautiful shimmer by Fenty Beauty and very nice light mauve. This is to be placed in the inner corner of the eye to give you an open eye effect. The minute you put any light color in the inner corner, it gives you an illusion of bigger eyes. The next thing we do is take Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in medium shade and go all over the face in a dabbing effect. When you dab it into the skin, the foundation tends to stay for a longer period. Usually my makeups last up to 12 to 14 hours. This is the magic product that everybody must have. This is a spray mist by Tatcha. This just adds the required glow to the face and does not let your skin dry. After the mist has settled down and dried on the face, I'll take this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. We are doing powder contouring today. We will do another video for cream contouring and place it just under the cheekbones. This is a light and shade effect, so placing the color right under the cheekbones like this will help you create a very defined cheekbone. The next thing we do is we keep blending it. I slightly apply it on my nose as well to give it a sharper effect. And I take it upwards towards my forehead, but I do not take it into my forehead because I have a fairly small forehead. This has been my favorite product for the past 7 years, and also my clients love it. They have bought it. This is again by Benefit Cosmetics. It's called What's Up. It's one of the best highlighters out there. It's so easy to carry, so small and lovely. Cream to powder fun. That means if it's even hot outside, this will not become shiny like there's oil on your face. It will just add a little glow. Blending is very important when you apply highlighter or you're contouring. You have to blend everything into each other so it looks like there is very minimalistic makeup on your face. This here, I'm using a color by Kat Von D in Lolita 2. I love this shade. We are trying to create a full plump lips. So this is a darker shade that I'm applying all over my lip line and into my lips as well. Don't you love this color? This is a matte lipstick by Dose of Color in Nude. And we're just going to be applying it in the center of the lips on top and below. So this will give you an illusion of fuller lips. Do you see that? This is a beautiful gloss in color Truffle from Dose of Color again. We are doing a smoky eye and a glossy nude lips. Now, when we say nude on brown skin, nude is a little pinkish brown and not like pink pink. This is one of my favorite blushes by NARS in Color Orgasm. You see how much I've used it. This is one of the finishing touches. We're going to be placing it on my cheeks. Well, if you have a lot of cheeks, please place it like you're contouring. But because I do not have much of cheeks, I'm going to place it on my cheek and lift it up again. If you see, my movements have not changed. They're still lifting my face. This is always one of my last steps. The lower lash line. I take a smaller wand mascara because I do not want it to mess up my lower lashes. And then I finish my makeup by doing the mascara according to the amount of needed effect. And before I forget, the ending effect, the biti. Ooh, I love that Indian touch. It's been fun creating this look for y'all. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like, subscribe, the bell icon, and also share this video as much as you can. I hope to see y'all soon with more videos in the near future. And if you like anything or you would like me to show you anything in particular, please leave a comment. See y'all soon, guys.